Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Facebook Lite. To know how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite app, you should just go to settings. After that you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite and you will enter here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You can search about Facebook Lite, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.